Hello everybody, my name is Alex Serbu. I am technical lead of BI connector for BT24 project, and I'm head of data science of against BT24. Today I want to show you how it is possible to filter on close date join table of deals and deals user field in Google Data Studio. The task is not simple. I spent some time solving it, but I have solved this task, and I want to share my knowledge with you how you can solve uh, similar tasks in Google Data Studio. First of all, let's look at data. We have, for example, deal one. Deal one has close date and has master field, user field with user field value 1. Okay, and deal 2 has close date 2 and has master field with user field value 2. So we have two deals with set close date and with set user field value. So first we export deals and deals user field to Google Data Studio. After that, I show you how you can filter deals by close date. Close date is not standard field. By default, we can filter deals by date create and leads by date modify. But I will show you how you can filter deals by other date field, by close date. After that, I will show you how you can filter deals user fields by close date. And after that, I will show you how join these tables together by inner join and filter that joined table of deals and deals user field with that close date column. The task is not simple, but let's move on. So first of all, let's uh, export deals to Google Data Studio. Analytics, BI Analytics, and Google Data Studio. Basic report on deals and configure and press. This is some garbage, but we need to move through these walls. Connect. Uh, Here I need to select deal, and I need to deselect this checkbox. I don't want to use report templates. After that, press connect, and we need to set parameters. So these are deals fields, but we need to add some special parameters. I press add a parameter and insert time. I need to insert time filter. No, this is special parameter. Please copy a value from parameter name to parameter ID field. It's very important. And in default value, let's insert date create, date date create, date create, date create. Okay. After that, we need to press all fields and we need to rename because I want to find it. It's easy. Test test deal. We have deal test, test deal. Okay, and I press on some place, free place, and I press create report. Create report. Add to report, and let's add a table with data from deals. let's set close date, all these fields created on and modified on, very interesting, and and unique key. It's very important to add unique key, and let's add deal name here. So unique key, deal name, created on, modified on, close date. So you can see we have a table of deals with a unique key, deal name, created on, modified on, close date, and unique key is a bug. It's a bug in Google Studio. No, this is symmetric. Let's delete it. This is not bug. I'm sorry. So this is a table of deals. Let's add below this table a table of deals user field. But before that, let's try to filter this table by close date. How can I do it? I need to add a control, date range control here, and I need to select this table, and in the parameter value, look here please. Here I need to insert close date. Close date in parameter of time filter column for this table. Now this table is filtered by close date. Let's check. Let's select the 5th of January of 2023. 5th, the 5th of January. Apply. Okay. Let's select the 4th of January. You see, so the table is filtered by close date because the 5th of January is only here in this column, not in this column, not in this column. So close date is working. By default, we filter deals table by created on date. If you want, I can show you why. For example, I can insert here date create, and of course this is empty because we need to select other date. Date create is 29th of December, 29th of December, the 29th of December. Do you see? All works, all works. We can filter this by any date field. Next, let's export the user field, the BI entity to Google Data Studio. So I need to go here, analytics, BI analytics, press connect to Data Studio, press basic input on deals, press configure, and this is walls I need to walk through, hitting them by my head. Connect, and here I need to select deal user field, deal custom fields, and deselect. I need to deselect this checkbox. After that, I press connect, and here I need to set new parameters. So these are fields of deal custom fields, BI entity, and I need to add a parameter for filtering this table by any date column. That parameter, time filter column, time, and we need to copy this value and insert here. It's very important. Case is important, and let's set default value date press next. Okay, and let's rename this data. This data source test deal user field custom fields. Custom fields. Yeah, this deal custom. And after that, I go to the port here, and I just add new table here, the chat table, a table of user fields, deal user fields, and here I want to change the data source. I delete this data source, and I add data source. It's the data sources are I need. Let's add data source via other interface. So I have this data source. I have this data source, not renamed in the studio, but arrange resource manage added data source. And here I want to add data source, my data source, test deal custom fields, I which I have created. I have just created test deal custom fields. Add to reports, and now I can add a table here, a table of deal user fields, and here do you see this new data source are selected, but I can delete it and select here. So test deal custom fields, and let's put close date in this table. Create it on, and master field, user field, and let's put here deal ID. So very important, deal ID. And as you can see, the parameter of this new table is date crate by default. So let's put here close date. Let's put close date here. Let's put close date here in first table of deals. Not date crate, but close date. Close date. And let's filter. Let's filter these two tables by close date, close date, close date. So now this table has close date parameter value, and this table has close date parameter value. This is deals table, and this is deals user custom fields table. And now let's select the date of creating or date of closing of deals. Date of closing of deals. Do you see? Now these tables are filtered simultaneously by close date. The 5th of January. The 5th of January. If we select, for example, the 4th of January, all the table will be empty. So they are filtered by close date now. No, close date is not default field, but we can filter these tables on close fields. Close date, close date. Okay, and in this table we have a deal name, deal 1, and with ID 9, and here we have ID 9 and user field 1. User field value 1 corresponds to deal with ID 9, deal 1, and user field value 2 corresponds to deal ID 11 with deal 2, deal 2, user field value 2, deal 1, user field value 1. And now let's create a join table and try to filter it by close date. It's not simple task, but I will show you how you can achieve this goal. First of all, let's add table here, new table, and we need to create a data source, join a data source. So I want to blend data. I want to blend data. Blend data. I want to blend test deal custom field. No, I want to blend these deals, and I want to blend it with test deal custom field. And now first of all, I have deleted all dimensions, and now let's add good dimensions here. Those dimensions will be unique key. The next will be deal name, and the next remove the date, close date, create on, modified on. Okay, and here we need to add deal ID as dimension, deal ID, and for example, maestro field, custom or user fields here. And now create configure a join. I need to select inner join using on the left side unique key, and on the right side I select deal ID. Save and close. Oh, I'm sorry. No, not close. Save. And now let's put useful columns here in this unified table. Let's put unique key here. Deal name. For the name, it has the name already. Create it on modified on and master fields. Now you can see deal with ID 9 has name deal 1 yes, and has user field value 1, and deal with unique ID 11, deal name 2 has user field value 2. So all okay, and we have got a table, a join table of deals with user field. So let's try to filter this join table with date. First of all, let's try to select the 5th of January. Apply, and you see this table is empty, but two tables above are not empty. And let's set the 4th of January, and we will see. So filtering doesn't work correctly. Why? Because let's look at parameter name and parameter on join table. If you look at join table and blended table, you cannot see. I cannot see the parameter time filter column. Why? I don't know. Because it is blended data. Let's move to the bottom. Do you see the parameter name? I don't see parameter. So what to do? The solution is go to page and to current page settings and set a parameter global to a page, or select some default data source on the page. It's like this is just technical stuff. I don't know why it is made in this way. I think it's a strange way, but Let's select, for example, here first test deal data source. Now press on space and on free space, and now page kind of settings, and now you see parameters. Let's set. So you can let's after that you can see a parameter here for this table. Or if I select this blended table and go to the bottom, I see the parameter. So if I put here close date, this table will be filtered simultaneously with table above it. So deal table, deal custom fields table, and joined deals and custom fields of deals are now filtered by the 5th of January. But let's add date, close the date here. I'm sorry, I didn't add it. Close date. Close date is important. So let's edit here. Close date. So you can see we can filter join a table blended data on the 5th of January. But now let's change the data and let's put the 4th of January and look what will be, and you see no data in a table. So all tables are working simultaneously. They are synchronized because all these tables are using as parameter name close date. Uses close date. It uses close date, yes. But for simplicity, you can put close date. You can put close date on the page level, current page settings, and here you can set, for example, close date here. And now you can delete close date from here. So all tables now are filtered by close date, close date, and close date, close date, close date. So here, this is now the parameter value is on page level. Here, close date is deleted on it exists on page level, and here close date is deleted and exists only on page level. Now let's check the 4th of January. Let's select the 4th of January, and you see that the tables are empty. But if I select the 5th of January, the tables will be with data. Do you see? It works. But let's change the filtering column, date filtering column here. Let's select, for example, date create here. Date create. And now you see all tables are not filtered. Let's select 5th of the 5th of January, and the tables will be empty because date create is different. If we set 29th, the 29th of December, we will okay. So 29th of December, 29th of December, and data is okay now. So now all tables are filtered by the create. So now you can filter joined table, any joined table, or any joined table of BI entities or BT24 on any date column. In this example, I show how you can filter this joined table using close date. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.